In this video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge browser from your PC. So you can see I have this here. Let's close it. And you can see when you come here and you're trying to uninstall it, you see the uninstall is not appearing. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's very, very simple and easy. So now what we are going to do is, let's close this. Let's close every page here. Good. And now let's come here and now let's press Windows and then R key. So Windows and R. And now we enter this here. Let me drag this to the middle of the screen so you guys see it. And then you enter this regedit. Yeah, so regedit. I'm going to paste all this in this video description so you can check that out. So you tap on OK. Good. So on here, you tap on yes here to registry editor. So now let me drag this to the middle so you guys can follow up very much well. So on here, what we are going to select is the H key local machine. So just double tap that to open it. So from there you move to software. So now glance through and you can see software opened here. Just double tap that to open software, and then you move to SWOW. So now let's glance through. So we have the software opened and this all under software, and there's it .node here. Select that, double tap to open that, and from that section we move to Microsoft. So we'll have to glance through. You can see we have Apple there. Let's glance through a bit. Good. This is Microsoft, and you double tap that to open Microsoft 2 as well. And then from Microsoft you move to Windows. So we have to drag to the bottom as well. It should be a W, so it should be at around this section. And good, I think this is Windows. Yeah. So we double tap to open Windows, and then under Windows 2 we are going to select current version. So it should be this. This is current version. Double tap that. And then from current version, we move to uninstall. So we drag to the bottom. And good. These are the options, and this is uninstall. So double tap to open that. So from this section here, we move to Microsoft Edge. And let's glance through. So M should be around this section. I think there's it. So we double tap. And good. This is Microsoft Edge. And now what we are going to do is, you can see NoRemove here. Double tap to edit it, and it's at 1. Remove it to 0, clear it, and then enter 0. Now OK. So now let's move to our installed apps. So add and remove. Good. So now let's move to Edge. So now let's search Edge. And now the uninstall should appear. You can see this is the uninstall. And you uninstall it. So simple and easy. That's it on how you uninstall Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to write the procedure in this video's description so you guys get it. So yeah, it's very much simple and easy. You follow the procedures and you're good to go. This is one of the most simplest way to uninstall it, else you're not going to find the install section. So here's the trick. So let's come here to the registry again. Now let's tap on the NoRemove, and now let's change it to 1. Good. And now let's close it. So when you come here, let's reload it again. You see the uninstall would disappear again. You would see after the setting, the uninstall will disappear again. You see it disappears here. So it's very simple. You just change the 1 to 0 and you're good to go. So that's it on how you uninstall Microsoft Edge browser on your PC. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.